this is why I always want to go with trend trading strategy, and I'm going to show you some assets today that we analyzed this week, and we're going to see how we perform in some of these assets. Okay, some of the assets we also analyzed them yesterday, and they're already giving us positive results today. Okay, so that's so amazing, and you guys can also learn from this and be generating profitable signals like this. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Culture. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, this is Gamex 1215-minute time frame. I remember at the beginning of this week, we actually started milking this particular asset on downtrend. It gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal from a resistance zone. And of course, guys, it was an opportunity for us to trade for a very long time. So it got to this region first. We thought it will go into an uptrend, but it didn't go. It went back to break out below the support zone to get to a new support zone. And yesterday, I made mention of it that this had been playing around there for a while. So I gave us this setup that we are most likely to have an uptrend if it does not break out from this support zone. So this happened to be our stop loss, and of course, this happened to be our entry point. And I highlighted some TPs for ourselves. It's activated our entry point and almost got to the first tip and came back down, but went back up again. As at this morning, it has achieved our first TP, but we still have about three TPs to go. But this particular asset is actually having a major pullback. That is one thing, one issue I'm having with it. Okay, the pullback is a major one. Okay, so right now it is still having a major pullback, and we can see it right now. Okay, so if it does not break out below the support region at this point, okay, then definitely it will go back up once the pullback is over. It will go back up and of course buy more. Okay, so for now, I still believe that this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend, but it is having this pullback right now. Probably we will be able to achieve the rest of the TPs by the end of the day. Okay, so this is still going on. So you can see the beauty of trend trading strategy. Once you're on the right trend, just follow the signal that will support the trend. When it was on downtrend, we followed a sell signal and we saw till this moment. When it's now going back on uptrend, the only thing we need to look out for is the buy signal. So for those of you who have not entered this trade before, just wait for the buy signal. Once you get the buy signal, jump into it and trade more. Okay, so that is it. Now let's check out Gamex 999, which is also another asset we checked out yesterday. So earlier this week, we actually milked it on downtrend for a very long time, and it came to this level. Okay, after getting to the support zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it switched back into an uptrend, guys. It switched back into an uptrend, and it gave us an entry point. And I gave us an entry point. I also gave us a stop loss and some highlighted TPs. TP1 have been achieved. TP2 had been achieved. TP3 is almost achieved, and the next one after TP3 will be TP4. Okay, so and it is still going on very well. So this is so unique. Congratulations to those who actually picked the signal also. Okay, at least your first TP, your first order should have closed right now. So your second order should have closed, and your third order should be in profit, in huge profit at the moment. You know what to do with your stop loss. Adjust your stop loss to lock up about 60 to 70% of the profit on that right now. Then the fourth order too should be in big profit, just that it has not gotten to its TP. So that is it. So that is how it works. That is the benefit of trend trading strategy. Okay, and of course, let's check out Paynex 1200. For Paynex 1200, we actually did this setup. Actually, this actually sold from here and got to this region. So it went back on uptrend and it bought till it got to this region. And I told you that this is kind of giving us the M vibe. Okay, and of course it is, if it's unable to break out from this region, then it should sell. So it switched back into a downtrend and we had this setup. Our entry point, our stop loss, then some highlighted TPs. And from what we can see, we've only achieved the first TP. So we are heading towards this next TP, which is the second TP, the third TP, and the fourth TP. Hopefully, we want to believe that we're going to achieve all. Okay, now let's check out PayNext 999. This is another beautiful trade from PayNext 999. Earlier this week, I think about 3 days ago, we actually analyzed this. This gave us a switching at this point, okay, an entry point. We highlighted the entry point, then the stop loss, and of course some highlighted TPs, TP1, 2, 3, and we achieved all these three TPs easily. But right now it has gotten to the resistance zone and is trying to change the direction of the trend, okay, into a downtrend. So I want to believe this your resistance zone should start as your entry point. I mean, as your stop loss, while your entry point should be at this point because we've gotten the trend signal and of course we've gotten the sell signal. Then we can now highlight some TPs for ourselves. This should be the first TP which has been achieved. Okay, then the second TP should be somewhere here. Let me see. Okay, yeah, somewhere here. Okay, then the third TP. Let's go for the third TPs. First of all, I want to mark out this. Then we can now achieve the third TP somewhere here. Okay, so we can achieve these four TPs. TP1, 2, 3, and 4. So you guys can take advantage of that. It is still a new trend. If it does not break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it should sell and give us big profit at the end of the trading session. Okay, that is how it works, guys. This is another one. FX volume 80 is another beautiful trade which we actually picked up. Okay, so this actually got to the resistance and was unable to break out from there, so it switched into a downtrend. And check out what we have been able to achieve with this. So after switching into the downtrend, it gave us a sell signal and we had to do our trade setup. Entry point, stop loss. If you should notice, I drew out this trend line just to mark it out to know if it's a good trade for us. It's a kind of confirmation, and you can see it broke out below it, and this gave us an assurance that it's going to sell. So we had some TPs highlighted. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved, and TP5 achieved. So we are only expecting the last TP, and it is going to be the biggest TP so far. So if you have been in the trade right from here, you should have closed your first order, your second order, your third order, and the fourth order. So it is only your fifth order that should be remaining right now, and you should be in huge profits right now. This is what I will advise you to do. Pick up your trade, your stop loss, because it's no longer useful there again, and drag it down to somewhere here to look out some profit for yourself on this last order. Okay, so if there is a pullback or a change in direction of the trend at this point, it will get to your stop loss, and the profit between your entry point and this point will go back to your wallet. Okay, but if it didn't get to the stop loss and it goes back, it will get to your TP, and you will get your 100% profit from that last order. It is as simple as that. You don't need to stress yourself at all. Just follow instruction and you will get it right. I will be stopping right there. I hope you have learned a lot. Okay, so all you just need to do is to practice. Okay, learn and practice before going to your real account. It is as simple as that. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.